Good morning students. Today we will learn about sound recorder. To record voice in the computer, you need the sound recorder program of Windows. The sound recorder records your voice. You need a microphone attached to your computer for this purpose. To record your voice, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click Start button. Step 2. Click All Programs. Step 3. Click Accessories. Step 4. Click Entertainment. Step 5. Click Sound Recorder. The sound recorder program opens. To start recording your voice, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click the Start Recording button in the sound recorder program. The timer starts working and the Start Recording button changes the Stop Recording button. Step 2. Start speaking into the microphone whatever you want to record. Step 3. After you finish, click the Stop Recording button to stop the recording.